இப்படி வச்சுக்கோங்க. மேலே வச்சு சும்மா அப்படியே நெஞ்சுக்கிட்ட வச்சுக்கணும்.
Let it be, you don't do much there.
May I commence the proceedings, my lord?
Yes.
Tamil தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெடிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து
My lord, now may I read the notification issued by the Government of India.
Yes.
Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Sri N.Senthilkumar and Mr.G.Arul Murugan to be additional judges of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years in that order of seniority with effect from the date they assume charge of their respective offices. Signed, Rajendra Gossip, Special Secretary to the Government of India. May I read the authorization given by Hon'ble the Governor of Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you through Justice Sanjay V. Gangapurwala, Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to the following 2 advocates who have been appointed as additional judges of the Madras High Court in that order of seniority. 1. Sri N.Senthilkumar, 2. Sri G.Arul Murugan, signed R.N. Ravi. May I request through N.Senthilkumar to occupy the chair besides the Honorable Chief Justice. May I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru N.Senthilkumar? By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri N.Senthilkumar to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 13th day of October in the year 2023, 21st Asvina, 1945 Saga, in the 74th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India. May I request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Thiru N.Senthilkumar.
I,
N.Senthilkumar,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
And that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my lord. May I request through G.Arul Murugan to occupy the chair besides the Honorable Chief Justice. May I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru G.Arul Murugan. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri G.Arul Murugan to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 13th day of October, India 2023, 21st Asvina, 1945 Saga, in the 74th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India. May I request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Thiru G.Arul Murugan.
I,
G.Arul Murugan,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my lord. May I request the learned Advocate General to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Justice S.V. Gangapurwala, Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Judges, former Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Justices Mr.N.Senthilkumar and Mr.G.Arul Murugan, who assumed office today, the parents of the newly appointed judges, the spouses, wards and other relatives. Learned Additional Solicitor General Thiru Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate Generals Thiruvalargal Haja Naziruddin, Silambannan, Veera Kadiravan, Raman Lal, Arun, Bhaskaran, Kumaresan, Neelagandan and Ravindran. Learned State Public Prosecutor Thiru Hasan Mohammed Jinnah, Learned Government Leader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned Government Leader Madurai Thiru Tilakumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Tamil Nadu at the Principal Bench and Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Learned Public Prosecutor of Puducherry Thiru K.S. Mohandas, Learned Government Leader of Puducherry Thiru Ravi Kumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Puducherry and the Law Officers of the Union of India, Thiru Amalraj, the Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Thiru Kamalanathan, the President of the Madras Bar Association, Thiru Mohana Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Tirumadi Louisal Ramesh, President of the Women Law Association, Thiru P. Selvaraj, President of the Law Association and other office bearers of the respective associations, the Registrar General Thiru M. Jyotiraman, the officers and the staff of the Registry of Madurai and Madras High Court, Principal Seat, both bench at Madurai and the Principal Seat, fellow senior advocates, beloved junior advocates, representatives of the electronic and print media, those invitees, visitors who are watching online, ladies and gentlemen, my vanakkam to all of you. We have assembled here before this, in this Hon'ble High Court premises this pleasant morning to welcome the newly appointed additional judges of the Madras High Court, Thiruvalargal N.Senthilkumar and G.Arul Murugan, who took oath of office as additional judges of the Chartered High Court of Madras. I take great pleasure in extending a heartfelt welcome to your lordships as you are elevated to the bench from the Madras Bar. I would like to express my hearty congratulations for your accomplishments. Both your lordships are from our very own bar. You were one with us practicing in the Madras High Court and the courts in Tamil Nadu. So it is a very personal and joyous occasion for all of us gathered here. Though you are familiar with the High Court, you will now have a fresh perspective on the other side of the legal system. I am hopeful that your professional experience as advocates will allow you to carry out your judicial duties effectively and compassionately. Since you are well known among the members of the bar and the bench, it would be simple for me to give just a brief note on each newly appointed additional judges and their background. His Lordship Thiru N.Senthilkumar was born to Thiru S. Narayanasamy and Thirumadi K.S. Sankaravalli on October 12th, 1970 in Chennai. His mother served as a member of the Legislative Assembly from Acharpakam constituency in 2006, and his father served in the Railway Protection Force. After completing his school education at the Railway Mixed Higher Secondary School, Perambur, Chennai, he joined the Central Law College, Salem in the year 1989, where he eventually earned his Bachelor of Law after a 5-year course in the year 1994. He then enrolled as an advocate and started his work with me as a junior. It's an honor and joy to be here with His Lordship Thiru Senthilkumar on this day. He was a tenacious, hardworking, committed and eager to learn during his years of practice as a junior. He assisted in several cases including refer trial matters on death sentences, writ petitions and trial works. Following that, he established his own practice and started practicing actively in all areas of law, including the civil and criminal courts at the district level as well as the writ appellate civil and criminal jurisdiction of this High Court. Also, in number of NDPS and corruption cases, he represented the state. In the year 2007, he was appointed as the government advocate writ side, and between 2009 to 11, he served as the additional government pleader writ side. He also served as a standing counsel for Customs and Central Excise and standing counsel for Metropolitan Transport Corporation, Chennai. During his 28 years of practice, he also served as counsel for parties before arbitral tribunals. His Lordship Thiru G.Arul Murugan was born on 27th of May 1976 to Thiru P. Ganapati and Thirumadi K. Neelamani. He hails from the city of Salem. His father held the position of teacher and headmaster at the Government Higher Secondary School, Harur. His Lordship completed his schooling at Holy Cross Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Salem, and later obtained a law degree from Central Law College, Salem. After enrolling as an advocate with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry in 1999, he began working with senior advocate Thiru K. Doraisamy. Later, he started his independent practice in the year 2003. With more than 25 years of legal expertise, he specialized in civil, criminal and writ cases and had a commendable practice at the bar, resulting in more than 75 reported judgments. He had represented clients before the High Court of Madras and other fora such as the DRT, DRAT, NGT, RERA and IPR disputes. His areas of expertise are mining, tenders, contractual disputes, and service matters. From humble beginnings, both your lordships have attained this position through your sincere efforts and diligent work. I hope that your success will serve as an inspiration for bar members to work relentlessly in order to thrive in this noble profession. On a personal note, I would like to say that I have had the pleasure and benefit of being instructed by both of them in a number of matters, and now look forward to being on the other side of the bench to assist them in deciding cases. On behalf of the bar, I congratulate your lordships on being appointed to the bench of this esteemed High Court. You both know the long-standing traditions of this honorable court. I am confident that you both will carry forward the same with your deep learning and professional skill. To quote Thiruvalluva, which says, true knowledge is the perception concerning everything of whatever kind, that thing is the true thing. In Tamil, it reads, Epurul ethanmai tayinum, appurul meipurul kanbadu arivu. Kural 355. I earnestly hope that the newly appointed judges will preserve and maintain the traditions of the Madras Bar by adhering to the legal principles and precedents as necessary to safeguard and strengthen the core values of the Indian Constitution. Further, I assure your lordship that the members of the bar will offer all its assistance and cooperation to support you as you carry out your judicial functions. Indeed, your lordship's years of legal practice, experience, and erudition would be helpful in the proper performance of judicial responsibilities. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, let me once more extend a hearty welcome to the newly appointed judges. I wish both of you success in your judicial service with the distinguished Madras High Court. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, the Honorable Mr. Justice Venkatraman, the Honorable Mr. Justice Kalyansundaram, Honorable Mr. Justice Kirvakaran, Honorable Mr. Justice Govindaraj, former Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice G.Arul Murugan, Honorable Mr. Justice Senthilkumar, and their family members and friends, Mr. Shanmugha Advocate General, Mr. A.R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General of India, all Additional Advocate Generals, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, and Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader of Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, the Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the members and the office bearer of the Bar Council, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, Mr. V.R. Kamalnathan, Mrs. Louis Al Ramesh, Mr. Selvaraj, the President of the respective associations, President and Secretaries of the Advocate Association throughout the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, senior advocates and other dignitaries, members of the legal fraternity, present media, good morning to all. As the Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, with great pleasure, I am here to welcome our newly appointed judges of this prestigious Madras High Court. The Honorable Mr. Justice N.Senthilkumar, born at Chennai, after completing a law course, got enrolled as an advocate in the rolls of the Bar Council on 9th day of November 1994. During his practice, the Honorable Judge is sincere to the court, truthful to the client, and kind towards the colleagues, with the exceptional ability and unimpeachable integrity. The Honorable Judge also practiced under the Advocate General, Mr. Shanmugha Sundaram, and altogether with 28 years of practice in all the sides of law has made to reach this highest level. The Honorable Mr. Justice G.Arul Murugan, born at Dharmaburi district, after completing a law course, got enrolled as an advocate before the Bar Council on 22nd day of February 1999. The Honorable Judge started practice under the senior advocate, Mr. Duraisamy, and from the day one of starting his practice, equipped himself with the latest developments in laws and judgments, and was prudent in applying the same to the cases. The hard work with the full dedication in legal profession has made to reach this position as judges of this Chartered High Court. It is pertinent to denote that both the Honorable Judges have completed law course in Central Law College, Salem, and both are elevated directly from the bar to the bench. The Honorable Judges well realized about the day-to-day problem faced by the legal fraternity as well as the litigant public, would provide speedy dispensation of justice along with the array of the Honorable Judges. A quote by the Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chanchur, the Chief Justice of India, while addressing in a conference, I quote, "Justice is not merely a sovereign function, but an essential service," I unquote. A quote by the founding father of the American Constitution, James Madison, I quote, "The judiciary in India is truly the only defensive armor of the country and its constitution and laws," I unquote. We hope that the newly appointed judges are more conscious about the responsibilities cast upon them and would discharge the functions of the judiciary in a prompt manner. The bar and bench plays an essential role for fulfilling the objectives of the judicial system, and hence the Chairman of the Bar Council, we assure the fullest cooperation of the bar to the justice delivery system. At this juncture, I would like to say that during COVID-19 situation, technology has played a pivotal role for the functioning of the judiciary. Continuing the same, e-filing method is implemented and it provides several benefits including automatic digitalization of case records. I also point out that the most of the advocates hailing from remote places are not getting proper access to the network connection and not even possession of the sufficient computer accessory to comply with the same. By taking note of the above difficulties, the Bar Council is considering to provide some computer accessory to possible from outhand to the advocates through the association for the proper implementation of e-filing system. We are also requesting the Honorable Chief Justice to provide basic amenities to all the court centers and advocate associations for their access to the smart court. We are sure that the advocates and the clerks would very soon equip themselves with the knowledge in technology, and hence we request the Honorable Chief Justice that on considering the above practical difficulties may kindly accommodate for e-filing as well as physical filing. I also thank the Collegium, Honorable Supreme Court of India and High Court for the effective steps taken in appointing the Honorable Judges. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I wholeheartedly welcome and wish the newly appointed judges who are having long standing in the bench to reach the higher heights in future endeavors. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice and other companion judges of this Honorable High Court, my Lord, Honorable Justice N.Senthilkumar, my Lord, the Honorable Justice G.Arul Murugan, Mr. R. Hon'ble Sundaram, Advocate General, Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hasan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Kamalanathan, President, Madras Bar Association, Mr. Sluisal Ramesh, President, Women Lawyers Association, Mr. Selvaraj, President, Law Association. My Lord, it is with great pleasure and a sense of immense honor that we stand before your Lordship today to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to this esteemed High Court. This occasion marks the beginning of a new era in our judicial system as we welcome two new judges who will guide and shape the course of justice in our region. My Lord, we extend our sincere congratulations on assuming this esteemed position. My Lord, your Lordship's rich experience, knowledge, and vision will guide the court in its mission to deliver justice efficiently, promptly, and equitably to the citizens we serve. Your Lordship's tenure presents an opportunity to bring forth innovative ideas, enhance the efficiency of our court proceedings, and foster a strong bond of trust between the judiciary and the people. Once again, we extend our warmest welcome to our new judges, and we wish our Lordship great success, fulfillment in this crucial role. Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Madras Bar Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, Hon'ble Chief Justice and companion judges, newly appointed judges, Hon'ble Mr. Justice N.Senthilkumar and Hon'ble Justice G.Arul Murugan. The Honorable former judges, Justice K. Venkatraman, Justice N. Kirubakaran, Justice Kalyanasundaram, and Justice M. Govindarajan. The family members of the newly appointed judges, my respected Advocate General of Tamil Nadu and Additional Solicitor General, Additional Advocate Generals, Public Prosecutor of the State, Government Pleader, Puducherry, and Law Officers of the State and Central. Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and its members, Mr. G. Monakrishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association and its office bearers, Mrs. Lucial Ramesh, President, Women Lawyers Association and its office bearers, Mr. P. Selvaraj, President, Law Association and its office bearers, senior advocates and members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. On behalf of the Madras Bar Association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure in extending your lordships a warm and hearty welcome on your assumption of office as Honorable Judges of this Chartered High Court. In this context, the statue of great Manunidhi Sodan in this Chartered High Court shows the fairness in rendering justice. I would like to refer the quote by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Constitution. However, good Constitution may be, if those who are implementing it are not good, it will prove to be bad. However bad the Constitution may be, if those implementing it are good, it will prove to be good. The quote by Lord Denning, the law is a living organism that evolves with society, adapting to changing needs and circumstances. A good judge listens attentively, weighs the evidence objectively, and delivers a just decision. Justice must be accessible to all, regardless of their social status or wealth. The Madras Bar Association assures the Honorable Judges that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as the judges of this Honorable High Court. The Madras Bar Association wishes the Honorable Judges a successful, satisfying, memorable tenure of office in our High Court. Thank you, one and all. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Women Lawyers Association, to give welcome address.
அனைவருக்கும் பணிவான காலை வணக்கம். My Lord Honorable Chief Justice, other companion judges, Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, Additional Solicitor General, State Public Prosecutor, and other law officers, Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman All India Bar Council, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, President Madras Bar Association, President Law Association, former judges and family members of Honorable Judges, and other dignitaries present here. On this very special day, on behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I am proud to extend my warm and humble welcome to Honorable Justice Mr.N.Senthilkumar, Honorable Justice Mr.G.Arul Murugan to this great chartered High Court. It is apt to quote a world-renowned Tirukural in Tamil. பொருள் கருவி காலம் வினை இடனோடு ஐந்தும் இருள் தீர எண்ணி செயல் பொருள் வேண்டிய பொருள் ஏற்ற செயல் தக்க காலம் மேற்கொண்ட தொழில் உரிய இடம் ஐந்தனையும் ஆராய்ந்து செய்வதே சிறந்த நீதியாகும். In English, one who possesses 5 things, treasure, instrument, time, deed, and place of act is called justice. On behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I once again proud to welcome honorable judges to this chartered High Court. We are sure we will give our sincere prayers and support your lordships. Tons of thankfulness to our Chief Justice whenever our requests are fulfilled. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, Madam. May I request the President, Law Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Sanjay Vijay Kumar Gangapurwala and the companion judges of the High Court, former judges of the Honorable High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice N.Senthilkumar, Honorable Mr. Justice G. Learned Advocate General R. Shanmugasundaram, Learned Additional Solicitor General of the Madras High Court, Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Learned Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Learned Government Pleader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned Public Prosecutor Pondicherry Thiru Mohandas, Learned Government Pleader Pondicherry Mr. Ravi Kumar, and other law officers of the High Court of Madras and Madurai. Thiru S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, All India Bar Council, Thiru P.S. Amalraj, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru G. Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Thiru V.R. Kamalanathan, President of the Madras Bar Association, Tirumudi Louisal Ramesh, President of Women Lawyers Association, and all office bearers of the associations, family members of the newly sworn judges, and other dignitaries, respected senior advocates, members of the legal fraternity who are all present here and connected virtually. On behalf of the Law Association, it gives me an immense pleasure in welcoming you, Lordship, Mr. Justice N.Senthilkumar and Mr. Justice G.Arul Murugan to the chartered High Court. Our historic High Court is set to witness yet another addition to its legacy of having eminent advocates from the bar as honorable judges before us. On behalf of the Law Association, I assure you, my lords, our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as the judges of this honorable High Court. The Law Association wishes your lordship a successful tenure of the office in our High Court. Once again, I thank the newly sworn judges. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Honorable Justice N.Senthilkumar to give reply.
அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable former Judges of this Court, Justice K. Venkatraman, Justice N. Kirubakaran, Justice K. Kalyana Sundaram, and Justice Govindarajan. Learned Advocate General and Additional Advocates General, Learned Additional Solicitor General and Assistant Solicitor General, Public Prosecutor, Government Pleader, and law officers of the court, Government of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, and the central government. The Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Registrar General and other registrars, President, Madras High Court Advocates Association, President, Madras Bar Association, President, Women Lawyers Association, President, Law Association, esteemed members of the bar. My dear friends, and to everyone gathered here today, I extend my warm greetings. My sincere thanks to all the kind words spoken by the learned Advocate General, Chairman Bar Council of, and the Presidents of all the associations. I thank the Hon'ble Chief Justice for administering my oath as a judge of the Madras High Court. It is with great pleasure and unsurmountable support that I stand here in sight of an unshakable duty and virtue. The conscience of the Constitution has bred deeply enough to know that standing for justice is a right as much as it is a duty. To having been put in a place of trust and a sense of duty, I find myself thankful. To the members of the Collegium of the Supreme Court of India, the Hon'ble Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Hon'ble Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Hon'ble Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna, the consultee judges, Hon'ble Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramanian, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Hon'ble Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, former judges of the Collegium of the Madras High Court, Hon'ble Mr. Justice Munishwarnath Bandari, former Chief Justice, Madras High Court, Hon'ble Mr. Justice M. Duraiswamy, former Acting Chief Justice, Madras High Court, Hon'ble Mr. Justice T. Raja, former Acting Chief Justice, Madras High Court, and the present Collegium of the Madras High Court Collegium, for having recommended my name for appointment as a judge to the esteemed Chartered High Court, and for having reposed faith and confidence in my abilities to uphold the laws and the Constitution of our country. It cannot go gentle into this way, in this day, without being ever grateful to Hon'ble Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramanian, former Judge of the Supreme Court of India, who has been my beacon of knowledge and light in the depths of life and loss, a mentor, a guru, and a pedestal of righteousness to look up to. I cannot contain his wisdom and graciousness in a couple of words, but I am beholden to being stirred by a luminary as him, so I can stand true to the values we hold high. I extend my gratitude to Madam Mrs. Ramasubramanian for the never-ending support, guidance, and her extraordinary presence in our lives. I am grateful to Hon'ble Mr. Justice N. Kripakaran, former Judge of the Madras High Court, who has been a pillar of strength, a source of inspiration, and his profound guidance. He stands as a testament to the courage of convictions and sagacity. I give my sincere thanks to my beloved senior, learned Advocate General Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram for his confidence in me and for the platform that buttressed growth and learning. On this day, my thoughts and gratitude goes to late Professor R.V. Dhanabalan, founder the Central Law College Salem, for his foresight and recognition that allowed me to begin my journey as a law student. To my family and the innumerable people who have been my side through my crest and troughs, for this day is more yours than mine. For what I am and what will be shall always be governed by righteousness. I shall forever endeavor to uphold the revered values of justice and our Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. May I request the Hon'ble Chief Justice G.Arul Murugan to give reply.
My Lord, the Hon'ble Chief Justice, esteemed companion brother and sister judges, respected Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, Additional Solicitor General, Deputy Solicitor General, Government Pleader, Public Prosecutor, and other law officers of the state, Government Pleader, law officers of Puducherry, senior advocates, Chairman, Vice Chairman, members of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, President and Office Bearers of Madras Bar Association, Madras High Court Advocates Association, Law Association, and the Women Lawyers Association, Registrar General and other officers and the staff of the registry, press, both electronic and print media, my dear friends. First, I thank the Hon'ble Chief Justice for administering the oath today. First, my sincere thanks to all of you for taking time and assembling here for the swearing-in ceremony. At the outset, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the Madras High Court Collegium comprising of the then Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Munishwarnath Bandari, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Duraisamy, former Acting Chief Justice, Honorable Justice T. Raja, former Acting Chief Justice, for reposing confidence in me and recommending my name for elevation as a judge of this prestigious Chartered High Court. I also wish to extend my sincere thanks to the present collegium comprising of our Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Sanjay V. Gangapurwala, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Mahadevan, who have furnished additional inputs and reaffirmed the recommendation of my name for elevation. Next, I would like to express my sincere gratitude and thank the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, comprising the Honorable Chief Justice Dr. Dhananjay Y. Chandrachud, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna, for recommending my name for elevation. I also express my deep gratitude to the consulting judges, Honorable Mr. Justice V.R. Ram Subramaniam, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, who have concurred with the recommendation of my name for elevation. My special word of thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice D. Krishna Kumar and Honorable Mr. Justice R. Suresh Kumar, who have supported me in this process. I take this opportunity to thank my teachers at school who had nurtured and imbibed good values in me that has made me what I am today and enabled me to reach this position. I also thank my college correspondent, college professors who taught me law and kindled the interest in me to practice before this honorable court. My special word of thanks to my senior K. Duraisamy, senior advocate, for teaching me the nuances of this profession and for guiding me to become a successful lawyer. I also thank my colleagues in office and friends who were always cordial and helping during my initial days as a junior. I also thank my juniors and clerk who untiringly helped me to prepare cases even at late hours and had stood my side. I would like to thank my parents who are present here for having taught me right values in life, discipline, obedience, and dedication. My thanks to my wife Aarti, son Sarveshwar, and my daughter Vidula, who are my pillars of strength, for all their valuable support. I would like to thank Honorable Mr. Justice N. Kirubagaran, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Venkatraman, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Kalyanasundaram, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Govindarajan, former judges who are present here for the support. Indeed, my elevation as judge of this Honorable High Court will be an encouragement and instill confidence in the young minds joining this profession coming from rural areas that their hard work and sincerity will always be recognized at the appropriate time and will certainly be rewarded. My memories are still fresh of the day when I entered the campus of this prestigious institution in the year 1998 with very many questions in my mind about the future. God has been very kind and blessed me all along my career in establishing my practice and has led me during challenging times. I assure you that I will always strive hard to perform my duty sincerely in consonance with the oath which I just took now, and will always maintain utmost level of honesty and integrity in the process of dispensation of justice. I assure you all that I will always work towards upholding the glory of this chartered institution by holding the flag high through my continuous effort. I thank one and all present here for attending the ceremony. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord? National anthem.
Thank you.
will commence at 11:30.
Yeah, 1:30.